During British rule, officers settled in Amring, Assam. Mountains, rivers, and forests were peaceful. One morning, a British officer's daughter bathed in the river. A mysterious man from the Killing-Chungkret tribe saw her. The girl was beautiful. The man, with powers, fell in love, returning to see her. One day, as she bathed, the Chungkret man used a magical stone. Its light touched her hand, her eyes darkened, her voice faded. She became captive. He kidnapped her, taking her to his hidden village. Her father ordered a search. A Karbi elder advised, "Enter at night. Do not shoot. Search silently. If you find her, escape before dawn. Destroy the mountain where the magic stones are hidden. That will break their power." British soldiers entered the jungle at night. They found the girl and fled. At dawn, they placed explosives by the mountain. The mountain shattered. The magic stones broke, and the Killing-Chungkret's power was lost. Furious, the tribe vanished, taking fragments, hiding them. They were never seen again.
Hunters entered the jungle at night, found the girl, and fled. They placed explosives near the mountain. The mountain shattered. The stones broke. The power was lost. The tribe vanished, hiding the fragments. No one saw them again.